Wall shelves are a stylish, practical way to maximize storage in any space. Here's what you'll need to properly secure one to the wall. First, determine the shelf's location. You want your new shelf to be sturdy and level, so proper placement is key. If the shelf is heavy or you plan on storing bulky items, it's best to install the hardware directly to wall studs. If a stud is unavailable, you'll need to install appropriate wall anchors for the job. Next, hold the shelf in place and make a light line along the underside. Then, using the line as a reference, position each bracket and mark the location of the hanging hardware. Now, using a drill on low speed or a screwdriver, make starter holes into your marks without fully installing the screws. To secure the brackets, you'll need to back out each screw and set it aside. Install a drywall anchor, if necessary, before attaching the bracket. Now, place the bracket in position and fasten it to the wall. Finally, center the shelf atop the brackets. Then, for added security, fasten the shelf to the brackets. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.